In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of chat window. And to add an audio file, select Files section. Now click on Audio right away to make it easier for you to look, or tap on one of those apps. You can also click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of the available sources, like downloads. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, you need to hold it. And then click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead. Then tap on your video right away, or if you can't find it in those recent files, click on Gallery. Now tap on Folders and look for your video. When you're ready, you can add it the same way as an audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!